In this video, I'll show you how to add a server name to your Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, when I mean add a server name to your Discord, I mean like you can actually like add a channel name you want, right, for any Discord server I've created. So when I created this, I named this channel test, right? So I can come on here, I can click or I can type in how to server, right? Exactly. So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on this save changes. So you can see we just added a server name to this our server, right? So it was previously the test, now it's now the HowTo server. So this is how you can add a server name to your Discord. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next